AI is changing the way we create content. Blogging that used to take hours of planning, writing, formatting, and optimizing now takes just a few minutes with tools like autoblogging.ai. And here's where it connects to senior travel. Traveling later in life should be exciting and stress free, but there are so many things to consider: comfort, safety, accessibility. Turning that into a complete blog guide would normally take a lot of time. This one, the complete guide to stress free senior travel, was generated in under 3 minutes with autoblogging.ai. It's structured with proper headings, images, infographics, and all ready to go and publish. Let me show you how I made it. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm using wizard here. Think of it like a walkthrough. It takes me from the title all the way to finished blog step by step. Article title, I'm gonna type here the complete guide to stress free senior travel. This gives the AI a clear topic to work on. Next, article language, I'm gonna keep it English, but autoblogging supports 30 different languages. So if your audience reads in Spanish, French, Hindi, or others, you can generate the same blog for them instantly. Next, article length, for this one I'm going to go with long because a full guide for senior travel needs to cover more details. Here's what others do. Short is like a quick update, and medium is balanced with detail but still easy to read. Type of article, I'm going to choose informative because this topic needs a step-by-step explanation. Here's what other style do. Listicle breaks content into numbered points. Places organizes content around destination or regions. And service bar landing page builds a format designed for service or offers. Next, tone of voice. Now here I'm going to go with third person so the article reads like neutral and reliable guide. Here's what other options do. First person makes it personal, like your own experience, and second person speaks directly to the reader. Next, for the writing style, I'm gonna pick professional here because senior travel guides should sound polished and trustworthy. Here's what other styles do. Auto makes lets AI pick automatically. Less AI words makes the text more simpler and natural. Premium style 1 is optimized for SEO formatting. Snippet optimizer helps with Google featured snippet. Conversational is very light and friendly. Witty adds a humor and a playfulness in the blog. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes for that extra enhancement in our blog. Now, intents optimize article improves the structure so Google understands the content better. FAQs bring in real search questions about senior travel and answer them inside your blog. AI images generate visuals with proper alt text, and infographics creates a simple visual summaries for easier reading. SERP analysis. This is the research tool built in. Instead of me checking Google for top ranking blogs, autoblogging scans them for me, sees how they are structured, and then shapes my blog article using the same proven pattern but with fresh and original writing. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type in how you want your article to be. You can also select the location where you want to rank on top. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition copies the section flow of top ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted sources. YouTube video will add a relevant video inside the blog, and key takeaways will create a quick summary box at the end of your blog. Next, AI proofreading. Now it will automatically fix grammar and readability so you don't have to edit by hand. You just have to enable this and leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. This links to my new blog to older ones on my site. For example, you just have to enable this and quickly paste your domain here. Now, if you have already written blogs on travel insurance or health tips for seniors, it will automatically connect them inside this article. That keeps reader on my site for longer, and it also improves my SEO. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor to check the tone or accuracy, just enable this and leave a guideline here for them. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credit, which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down, and within minutes you'll get a view like icon here. Click on that. And your article is ready to publish, structured with SEO optimized and filled with proper headings, images, infographics. And if you want to skip the steps, here's what you can do next time. quick mode and single, and just type in your title here, and within fewer clicks you can generate an article. It is just as same as Wizard. And you can also use a bulk generate option here where you can upload from 10, 20, or even 100 titles at once, and autoblogging will create them all at single go and even auto post them to WordPress. AI is transforming how we create blogs, and with autoblogging.ai you can generate full SEO ready travel guides like this one for senior travel in under minutes. And if you don't want to go through this process yourself, you can try a done for you blog service where we'll deliver the entire blog to you directly. If this was helpful, hit a like and subscribe and comment which senior travel topic you would like me to cover next.